Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
And we're here on a Monday morning, which is kind of nice because this can be very, very crowded on the weekend. Extremely crowded. There we go. Got a perfect view there. And this is actually going to be really cool right here. This is Passion Street. Very, very photogenic. And you can see Sao Paulo ruins right through here as well. And so that's actually, so that was St. Paul. And we're gonna end it right there. Okay, we're on St. Paul Street. So what we're gonna do is just take a look right up here where Sao Paulo ruins is at. So we're going to try to capture that, give you a feeling for this whole space. And I think you can see it way up in the distance, right up there. And what we're going to do is capture all the architecture, the tempos where we're going to start at, and we're going to be going around the corner as well. There's also tour groups, so you're going to see some of that as well. So this is all St. Paul Street, and it comes all the way from there. So we're going to highlight this whole street, but actually this street right here is called Paulo, and then this one goes up to St. Paul. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so St. Paul Street is our focus street, and we are going to go around up here. And we're actually going to go around the corner as well. So let me just kind of give you a little idea where we are here. So there's some other streets down this way. This is Sao Paulo up here. Just to give you some context of things, there's like a little marketplace down here, fruit, and that goes all the way down to what's that street called? There's a street that goes all the way down to Ponce, to the waterfront almost. And we got a temple right here, St. Paul Street, and then this one goes down as well. So we're gonna go up. So St. Paul Street is our focus. And I think right here you can people start to see the view of the Sao Paulo ruins. So you'll start to see photos in this area, selfies. And we're here on a Monday morning, which is kind of nice because this can be very, very crowded on the weekend. Extremely crowded. And amazingly, this week it's a little bit cloudy, which is bringing in all these lights. So we actually have lighting here. Let me just kind of capture that lighting feel. Then you got some nice architecture everywhere as well. Okay. So then you keep on going up. We're going to move along like that. So people are starting to get the view of the Sao Paulo ruins, and I think we're going to get it now as well. Now you can start to see it from through the homes, businesses. There we go. Got a perfect view there. We're gonna flip the camera around and just kind of show you what's behind us in a moment. So you can see Sao Paulo ruins up there. And let's just kind of flip it around. Now you can see where we just came from. So this is what people come see when they look down, and all the people with their cameras as well. Okay, so let's head on up. Okay. So we're gonna navigate through here real quick. And now you can see the Sao Paulo ruins. And actually our street actually goes down that way. But of course we're going to capture a little bit of the ruins because that's what people come here to see. One of the biggest tourist attractions in Macau. They'll come here, film this building. This has Uniqlo is in here. So they go shopping there, walk up to the steps. And actually if we want to stay true to Sao Paulo ruins, we have to keep going all the way down that way. So we are going to go down that way as well. We got this kind of iconic statue. Let me just kind of go up a little bit. I'm just going to capture this one just says Historic Macau. And then you can see a little bit of information about it. So 16th century to 1999, Portuguese, heart of the Portuguese. And then you can see Company of Jesus Square, which is basically this square right here, Company of Jesus Square. And that's the Sao Paulo ruins right there. Okay. And we're basically walking into St. Jesus Square. And there's tour groups up here as well. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is come back down. Tour groups, all kinds of stuff in here. Yeah, today, every day it's a little bit different. So today feels like a lot of mainland Chinese tourists, but then on other days you'll see a lot of Filipinos. If it's a Sunday, because they'll have the day off and they're working here. But today feels more like tour groups. And I can see the flags as well. So let's come on down this way. So this is that Company of Jesus Square that they mentioned right here. And that will be the square, right where all the people are at. Okay, so St. Paul Street continues. So it goes down this way too. And since it does continue, we'll continue with it. I've even got some souvenirs, ruins of St. Paul souvenirs. It's kind of cool. Okay. We still got a little bit of lighting here, but the lighting is starting to, once we get over there it's all residential, but right here you can see, still see some lit up buildings, even the Portuguese. Okay, let me just walk across real quick. I think this is a better side to walk on, because then you get more of the yellow buildings which have more beauty to them. And this is actually going to be really cool right here. This is Passion Street. Very, very photogenic. And you can see Sao Paulo ruins right through here as well. So that's Passion Street. We're just going to walk briefly up into that. You can see the architecture and the Sao Paulo ruins as well. So yeah, this is actually one of the most popular photogenic areas for filming. And this Passion Street is, they usually put like little love stuff up here, graffiti. but they banned it, so you shouldn't see it anymore. Really beautiful architecture. So we're gonna follow down. Hello. They're kind of watching me to see what I'm doing. But actually everybody here has cameras, but sometimes if they're from the mainland, they'll watch me because I'm a foreigner. So let's continue, and I got a camera. So we're gonna continue down. So yeah, actually this is kind of photogenic right in this space. And we're gonna come up to another cross street which is equally interesting as well, that I haven't filmed in a while. And you can see a little bit of it right here. So that is actually like a little, I think he takes care of that building. And I don't know the name of this one, it's Whole Clan Association. But he got that beautiful building inside. And right here is the side of that. I'm not gonna go up this one. They beautified the trash bin right there. They do that here, which is nice. So that's a casada. Welcome to Oman city is Macau. And I believe that goes into a little patio. I have filmed in there before, but today we're just gonna continue down Paulo Street. And that's basically what it looks like. Kind of cool little space. I wish those street lights were on. Food snack. And I believe Sao Paulo Street continues right up into this little space up here. So I will bring the camera right to that space. And I'll probably even walk down it and film the next street down that way. But you can see a little Sao Paulo ruins sign right over here, so I'm gonna go there in a moment. This is a church right here, and then this actually divides into another street, which I believe is also named after a saint, Saint Anthony. And then you got this little walkway right here, which I'm going to film in a separate video in a moment. But let me just kind of highlight the street that we're on. So that's still St. Paul Street, as you can see. There's the Cuba guy right there, Che Guevara, pointillism art on the wall. And so yeah, we're going to be ending this video, and I'll do a separate video where I go down there. And right here you can see that this changes into St. Anthony Street. So it's here it is, St. Antonio. And so that's actually, so that was St. Paul. And we're gonna end it right there. St. Paul Street. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.